So this question is a diagram question. Any question that provides some visual input, I'm going to call a diagram question. Given that this is a digital test, I do suggest that you redraw this. It doesn't have to be perfect, but the details do matter, right? So we know that we have 2, 6 as a point. We know that we have, let's go 3, 4, 5. We have 6 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 6, 2 as a point, and we have 6, 8, 9, 10. So we have 6, 10 as a point. Now we're told, let's see, the 3 points shown define a circle. All right, well, these points define a circle. The only way to really get that circle is kind of to go this way, right? Because that means the 3 points are on the circle. This says the circumference of this circle is k pi. Okay, so what do I know about circumference? Well, I know that the circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r, so c is equal to 2 pi r. This question is telling me that the circumference is k pi, so I'm going to say, well, that 2 pi r is equal to k pi. And then where k is a constant, what is the value of k? Well, to solve for k, I would simply divide both sides of this equation by pi, and what I'd be left with is that 2r equals k. So this question really is asking me about the radius, right? Like if I can find the radius, I have the answer. 2r is equal to k. Find the radius, multiply by 2, and we're done. So given the shape of this circle, the center has to be like right here. It really, like it has to be there. And that is the point 6, 6. And the radius then would be the distance from that center point to any point along the circle. The easiest to calculate would be, let's say, left, up, and down. So if I go to the left here from 6, 6 to 2, 6, that's a distance of 4, which tells me my radius is 4. But I'm going to try these other ones just to make sure that I'm accurate. So if I go up from 6, 6 to 6, 10, that's also a distance of 4. And if I go down from 6, 6 to 6, 2, that is also a distance of 4. So I'm pretty confident now that my radius is 4, which means k is equal to 2 times 4, which is equal to 8. And therefore my answer here is 8.